Guys, I'm gonna show you all of my slime today, starting with chocolate.
She put one pair of pants in there. They were already dirty.
And this is what it looks like. It's almost just like the coffee.
Need this?
Alright, that's the chocolate one. And then now we have coffee. This is this like almost the same one.
Get you a water wipey?
Wash your hands. Wash. Thank you, though.
Woo! Now we're gonna do, like, I have two favorites, starting with the ice one. It looks like there's no slime in there, but there actually is. That's why, this is why it's ice. And that's the ice. Alright, next we're gonna do my second favorite is honey. Why I like the honey one is because that it looks really like the same thing as honey. This one's kind of dirty. Alright, after that we're gonna do the ice cream one now. Oh, looks like someone drew in this. It's kind of green because someone drew in it, but you can't see it. Alright. After the ice cream one, I'm going to show you the blueberry one. This one's so blue. That's so blue. And at the end of this video, we're going to see if my favoriteest one can go real, when I stretch it, if it goes real far. Next, it's kiwi. Get it? Kiwi. Get it. Kiwi. We. Ooh, someone mixed purple in this. Ooh. And this is the kiwi one. Alright. And after the kiwi one, we're going to do grape.
Is that too loud? That was loud. Huh?
Oh, that's sticky. This is like, and that's the purple one. And after the purple one, it's the last one, probably some of your guys' favorite colors. Pink, my favorite color too. Alright, look. Oh, and there's an orange one, but my brother's using it. You wanna show them the orange one, Jack?
There's the orange one.
Yep, stretch it. Thank you, Jack, for showing us the orange. Okay, and pink. Right after pink. Wait, that's all of them. All right. My favorite one is the ice one because I like how clear it is. All right, let's see how far it can stretch. Go. Yo, it's breaking. Yo, that was so far. All right. Comment which one you liked best. There was kiwi, passion fruit, I think. I don't know what that is. Blueberry, honey, ice, coffee, chocolate, ice cream, or grape, or orange. Show them one more time, Jack. Show them orange one more time. Orange. That's a little bit. Show them all of it. Oh, sorry. And that's all of it. Like and subscribe.